Hey, hello. So actually, all is installed correctly. So what I did is that I just run my studio here. So I went here and I run my studio. You know that, and I enter my database licensing. Like I told you, this is a licensing, free licensing here. And now I will enter my information about my vCenter. Okay, so I go here. My connection address is my HTTPS. You go here and you type vcenter dot fit dot lab. My username will be administrator of the domain of my vCenter, so it's vsphere dot local here. My password is the password of my vCenter, and here I will type vsphere 7, and that's it. So I go here and I say I'm using MCS, okay? So I'm going to use my cluster. I don't have any cluster, just one server, okay? But normally you have your here. And I can use I will use my local because I don't have any shared here. So it's my local one. This is my storage selection for OS, and okay, there is not any more PV disk, so it's finished. And here is my VM network, okay? So let's put internal, okay? And let's put network. And that's it. So I don't have any app publishing. So this is finished. So wow, it's working like a charm. I don't have any warning, any issue. So it worked perfectly. And here on my server, I have remember my the latest. It's the 2019. It's not the VNext, okay, but it's the 2019 here. So this is a standard edition. So there is nothing special. Okay. And I did the integration directly with my Vsphere. Remember that after that you must do the configuration of your storefront. Okay. So and after that, when you must install storefront, okay, on this server, but really try to install it on another server, because the best practice is to install it on another server. Okay, so you have nothing to do special here. What you can do, of course, is try to create a Windows 10 master, and you can try to use MCS to deploy it to see if the communication is working correctly with Vsphere. But it's okay, because my the like you are looking actually on the screen, this is all information about the new version here. And like I told you, it's worked correctly with Vsphere 7. So if you have Vsphere 7, you need to use this one. Okay, so that's very important. Remember that you have some information that are not supported anymore. All PV disk here, app disk, and you don't have any more the start of cloud. When you normally, before you were using this, you can choose this one. You don't do anymore. Okay, for doing with Azure or Amazon, you can go here and click on it, and you have all the article about how to install Citrix with the cloud. Okay, so you will have all information about here. He's using Vsphere 7, so you must have now, if you have Vsphere 7 with vCenter, it's working correctly. You can use it even with VMM. And here you have all the information about the studio. So you have a lot of information about what was changed and what is the new feature. Okay, so he's finishing the configuration of my services, and I think that's it. Okay, so there is no new information. So thank you very much to have following these two video on Citrix. Ciao, ciao.